Hello everyone, welcome to another crypto cult video. And since the last video we have seen that SUI's airdrop slash early access to the people who watched our video and did the step made them over $3,000 on investing just $45. So these airdrops do work. A lot of people are making good money, and today we are going to bring you another free airdrop that is of the FUEL network. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any future videos and future airdrops that might make you thousands of dollars. So now let's go to the screen and see what do we have to do to get the FUEL airdrop. So as usual, we will start with our crypto cult Twitter thread. So please follow us on Twitter if you want to do these steps before anyone else. As you can see, this was the date April 29 and today is 5th May. So it has been a while, and let's see what we need to do here. So what do we get in this thread? It is how to participate in the FUEL Labs airdrop. A to Z complete information is there, and what we have to do including a video is here. So let's start. First we need to create a wallet. So here is the link for the wallet, and click on download the FUEL wallet. After that we need to follow these steps. You will get a zip file, and now we need to open our Chrome settings, go to extensions. Once we are in the extension side, we need to click on open developer mode, and now we need to just drag and drop that zip file here. I've done it, and now I can just click on create a wallet. Write down your recovery phase and enter it again here. Click on next, and now type in a good password. After we have created the wallet, just spin it here, and you can see here is my wallet. I have no funds. Now I need some funds to do the task. How to get those funds? We will get it through a faucet website. So here is your faucet. Just go on there. Please make sure you use our Twitter thread for all the links because there are a lot of scams. So here I will just go and paste my address. Click on I am not a robot and click on give me ether. So ether has been sent to my wallet, and now we are ready for next step, that is how to use the swap. Open the swap link and connect your wallet, claim all faucets, and we need to swap and complete at least 2 to 3 transactions. So click on swap link. So here is the swap. I have some ether here. Now let's connect our wallet. Next, and the wallet is connected. Click on add asset. Let's mint some assets, and let's click on add swapping. So this is done. This is set up now. I have some S ether here, and I am going to swap it with some DAI. So let's swap 0.1 ether to DAI. Click on swap, approve, and we'll wait for it to complete. Now we can swap it back. Let's swap all of that DAI back to ST ether. Click on swap, approve. That completes 2 transactions, and we need to do one more just to be safe. So let's get some DAI back. So I'll just swap 0.2 ether back to DAI. Click on swap again and click on approve. Now while the swapping is done, let's go to next step, that is how to use SUI lend. We need to open the lend link, and that sounds very dirty, but let's continue. So SUI lend is here, and now we need to go to the app. Once we are at the app, we'll follow these steps. So here connect our wallet. Click on FUEL wallet, next connect. We need to click on faucet and claim all 7 assets. So let's click on faucet, mint it. Make sure your address is correct. Give me ether. Let's mint some Bitcoin, approve. Then click on USDC add asset, approve, and so on for all the assets.
A few moments later.
And now we have all the assets added to our FUEL wallet. As you can see, I have a lot of money now. Just 2 minutes ago, I was broke. Now, after we have claimed everything, need to provide around 10% to 20% on every token in SUI lend. Let's supply some USDC. I have 300 available. Just supply 100. Click on supply, approve, and let's do it here also. Let's supply 2 SUI, approve. On Ethereum, let's supply 0.2 ETH. Click on supply, and I am very rich right now, so I am thinking about lending out a lot more, but I'll control myself. Then we need to supply comp. Takes a little bit of time, so it's a little bit of a grind, but don't worry, it's good to see some money in your wallet, even though it's testnet money. Do this for everyone. Supply 20 to 30% of your total balance, and follow me here.
A few moments later.
Alright, so everything has been supplied by me. Bitcoin is also there, but I think it's too small. So now everything has been supplied here. I have supplied roughly $1,000. So guys, I am very rich, as you can see. And now let's go to the next step. You need to come back every week and withdraw supply from one token. Okay, so you need to just withdraw USDC or withdraw something. So I will, like a Bitcoin maxi, just withdraw some Bitcoin, right? You need to come back every week and do this withdraw on some token, because if you do it all together, they might get suspicious. Now we need to use the borrow option. So let's go to this, click on borrow, and let's borrow some USDC. Let's borrow 100 USDC. Click here and this will add some USDC to your own wallet. Everything in SUI land is done. Now let's go to LX, Dex, Crew 3, Quest 3 task information. So LX was not working fine when we wrote the thread. Now let's see if it's working fine right now. So LX is not working, so we'll do that task later. Now let's go to Crew 3 and complete some tasks. So here are some tasks that you need to complete, and there are a lot of tasks. So more tasks you complete, better chance you have. So I'll complete some of them to see how it works and you can get an idea. So need to follow them on Twitter, claim your reward, daily connect. So we need to visit this page and the reward will be available after 8 seconds and so on. You can complete the task on Quest 3, Crew 3, Zeely, whatever it is. There is also a task to invite your friends. So I'll leave my invite link in the description. If you are going for Zeely, please use my invite link. It's also there. So if you want to use it, you can use it. Now some task might not be available when you see this video. For example, Quest 3 task is not available right now. LX is not working. Make sure to come back to this thread and start doing tasks whenever they become available. So what are the eligibility criteria? So more interaction, increase your chances. Follow this thread for regular updates. It's better that you save this thread and try to use different DEXs and swaps to increase transaction on change. And this is the last testnet for the network. So this is the last chance for you. Here are all the links. Here is our Telegram where we will update on this. Here are all the Discords and Twitter and everything. So please make sure you join these communities. That will increase your chances. As you saw that in SUI we needed to be part of Discord to be eligible. Right, so that was all about FUEL Network. It's a very simple airdrop. Okay, you don't need to do much. You don't need to spend any money because it's a testnet. You just need to go do some things on testnet and you might become eligible. The airdrop season is very hot right now. A lot of people are making thousands of dollars doing airdrops. So please do not miss this. It will only take you like 20 minutes. That's how much time it took me to shoot this video for you guys. So it will take even less for you, I guess. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Twitter and join our Telegram if you want to become an airdrop hunter. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
चाहती दौलत बेशुमार उसी दिन का इंतजार मुझे प्यार मुझे गुलाबी नोटों से करार मुझे हूँ ऐसे कैसे मेरा क्या कसूर लाज मुझको जीना इसका मुझे है फितूर जाना दूर होके मशहूर बाकी फिजूल मजबूर यहाँ